Hey beauty lovers! I'm so glad you could join me today on Beautyistic. Let's talk about a product that promises to give your hair the fullness it deserves while maintaining your vibrant color. If you've been struggling with thinning hair or just want to strengthen and nourish those strands, this review might just be what you need. Let me introduce you to the Nioxin System 3 Scalp plus Hair Thickening Shampoo. It's designed specifically for colored, dry, and damaged hair with light thinning. This shampoo claims to cleanse, strengthen, and nourish with niacinamide and biotin at its core. Sounds promising, right? So how well does it actually perform? Let's find out. First off, a bit about the ingredients. Niacinamide, which is the star of this formula, is known for its soothing and skin-renewing properties. It's especially good at promoting scalp health, which is essential if you're dealing with thinning or dry hair. Biotin, on the other hand, is a powerhouse for strengthening hair and boosting its elasticity. Together, they tackle scalp care and hair health from multiple angles. Now, in terms of application, this shampoo's consistency is nice and smooth. It lathers up well, and the scent of peppermint oil is subtle yet refreshing, perfect for a little scalp revitalization. The peppermint gives you that cool, tingly sensation, which makes it feel like it's working deep into the scalp. After using this shampoo for a couple of weeks, I noticed my hair feeling much stronger, with less breakage. For those of us with color-treated hair, that's a huge win. Often, color can leave our hair dry and fragile, but the Nioxin shampoo helps lock in moisture without weighing it down. Now let's talk about the real-world experience. The shampoo is pretty straightforward to use, but the real test is always in the long-term effects. In my case, I noticed that it didn't just leave my hair cleaner, it helped improve its overall texture. While my hair didn't suddenly go from thin to thick overnight, I definitely saw more volume. It's not a drastic change, but it's enough to notice that the shampoo delivers on its promise of fuller, more nourished hair. In terms of strengths, the formula is definitely gentle, which is important for color-treated hair. It cleanses effectively without stripping away too much moisture, which keeps the color looking fresh. The peppermint scent is also a major plus for those who love a refreshing wash. On the downside, it's not the most hydrating shampoo out there, so if you have super dry hair, you might want to layer it with a deep conditioner. When we talk about value for money, this shampoo is on the higher end of the spectrum, but it seems worth it if you're dealing with thinning or color-treated hair. You're getting quality ingredients like biotin and niacinamide, which aren't always in budget-friendly products. However, if you're just looking for basic moisture and cleansing, there are other options that might be a little more affordable. If you're comparing this to other thickening shampoos on the market, the key selling point for Nioxin is its focus on scalp health, which sets it apart from some others that just work on the strands themselves. Plus, if you're someone who's dealing with color-treated hair and thinning, this is a solid choice. I'm pretty impressed with the overall performance of this shampoo. It lives up to its claims in terms of nourishing the scalp and giving you stronger hair with some added volume to boot. That said, if you're just looking for a thickening shampoo without needing the scalp benefits, there are more affordable options out there. Now, if you've used Nioxin or a similar product, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and share your experience with me. Did you see a difference in your hair's thickness or strength? And before you go, if this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review on Beautyistic. Your support means the world, and it helps us continue delivering honest reviews just like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.